If you want to plan for the future, we can help your dreams come true. A degree that gets you the right job. It's affordable and easy for you. Asnuntuck Community College. Friendly people that know who you are. Asnuntuck Community College. A college so close that can take you so far.
Welcome to Asnuntuck's Changing Lives. My name is Mary Bidwell. I'm the Interim Dean of the Advanced Manufacturing Technology Program at Asnuntuck. Today's show is going to focus on manufacturing. October is Manufacturing Month, and manufacturing is booming in the state of Connecticut. So this show we wanted to highlight, and I have Caitlin Lynch here with me today from MacDac Engineering to talk about being a graduate from our program and where she is today. We're going to first start out with a video of Caitlin and her time with us at Asnuntuck.
I had no idea that I wanted to go into manufacturing when I was younger. I really didn't have an interest in anything like it until I was a junior in high school, and I finally got a shop class that I'd been trying for, and I loved it. And then my senior year of high school, I ended up taking 4 shop classes, and my shop teachers really pushed me to tour Asnuntuck. They told me it was a great program. I went right from my senior year, graduated, had the summer off, and then started in the fall here. I chose Asnuntuck because it was a really good fit for me. We have great facilities here, it's affordable, and it's a very positive setting. Everyone seems very upbeat. I made a lot of friends, they're all really nice. Everyone in the program has been so welcoming that I've never felt scared to ask questions and reach her. And we look at incoming parts from customers, and school has helped me a lot. Even though I'm not on the shop floor, all the knowledge that I've learned as far as machining does apply to my job. The biggest challenge, I think, every day is being the only girl. It's definitely made me a stronger person. So if you're a woman and you want to go into this field or any field that's male dominant, I think that you should go for it. You won't know the success that you can have until you try it. Well, Asnuntuck itself has helped me accomplish my goal because they placed me in the internship. They pushed me and showed me that you can get a real job in a year. You can establish your life in a year, and I have. This is a really good choice for me. I definitely fit my best skills into this trade.
So I hope you enjoyed watching that video of Caitlin and her time with us at Asnuntuck. She graduated with us in May of 2017. So Caitlin, so now we're going to ask you some questions in regards to now what you're doing now. So tell us now what you're doing now since you've graduated from Asnuntuck.
So since my time at Asnuntuck, I've started working in inside sales at MacDac Engineering. I've been working there for about a year and a half now. I sell manufacturing software to CNC engineering companies around the New England area. And the software I sell helps them to create the parts that they're putting off the line.
Nice. How difficult was it for you to find employment once you graduated from our program?
So actually the manufacturing program gave me everything I needed and more to find a job. I had a paid internship for the last 5 months of the program, so that definitely helped jumpstart my career and get me some good experience. And then right after that, you guys connected me with the job at MacDac, and I've been there ever since, and it's wonderful.
Nice. What do you like most about the career of manufacturing and working in what you're doing now?
I really like that you get to see pretty much everything around you come together. What a lot of people don't know about manufacturing is that so many things around us come off of a production line, and you really get to see things take shape, and you get to help a lot of people put off a lot of cool things. We've helped a lot of different people with a lot of different projects, all the way from Formula One race teams, just to the normal CNC shop putting off little washers and screws. So it's definitely been very rewarding to see our customers be able to make what they need, and to see that world kind of take shape around us.
Right, meeting the industry need is so important today with the way manufacturing keeps changing. So that's wonderful that your company is able to help that. So based upon your experiences, what would you tell someone who's interested in advanced manufacturing about the career, about the opportunities, what to get someone excited about that opportunity, what would you tell someone?
I would tell someone that the opportunities are really vast and very broad. Even though there's a lot of manufacturing positions actually making the parts, there has to be people to support every facility. So there's a lot of manufacturing opportunity in every area, be it sales, which I do, versus the actual operation of the machines, versus maintenance. There's a lot of different areas that people could fall into, and that is very valuable. There's so many manufacturing facilities in New England, and furthermore, in the United States, a lot of work is coming back here. So it's really important and very crucial that we spend as much time as we can, getting kids, getting people involved with these new programs and showing people, the ability and the opportunity there that, some people really don't see in public schools or see just in normal life. You definitely get to have a lot more experience in what's going on in our world and see how things are made when you get involved with manufacturing. So I definitely recommend it to anybody that's just interested in, in learning and growing and seeing how our world around us comes together.
Yeah, I completely agree. Since my time in manufacturing, I think I realized that I look at the world so differently than I used to back years ago, that you look at how things are made and how is that made, and I think it's an amazing opportunity for so many young people to take a look at in their lives. So how long have you been at MacDac now?
So we've been there about, I've been there about a year and a half.
Okay.
It's really wonderful. It's a really great learning environment. We also train at our facility, so it's really great. We bring in unemployeds and veterans at no cost.
Nice.
They get to take training classes, and we help them get placed with people who are our customers. We've had quite a few people come through our classes, be it young and old, and they'll take them all for free as an unemployed, and then they go to their company they get hired at, and they end up coming back for more training, or they end up getting software through us and kind of expanding the business. And it's funny because they just started out as not even being involved with a company, and now here they are, helping another facility grow and helping more people get involved with the latest and greatest. So it's been a really nice year and a half, and I hope to continue there. So
very nice. So what are your future goals, be it at MacDac or your career or education? Where's the future take you?
So I have a lot of different goals. I definitely like to have a path no matter what my goal ends up being. Honestly, right now, I really would like to get a lot more sales experience, get to learn a lot more about manufacturing as far as machine dealers, tool dealers, and be a lot more connected. I've only been in it for a year and a half, and I'm definitely pretty young, so it's it's breaking into the industry and just getting more experience. I'd also like to go back to school for a 4-year degree in business administration, just so that moving forward, I'll definitely have a really good basis behind me, in addition to the certificate from Asnuntuck that helps me stay in this niche market of manufacturing, which I love being in so much. And there's so much opportunity here, be it whether you take the sales end or the operations end, or really anything with manufacturing is great. And so I'd really love to stay in that place and just grow more. So
yeah, we definitely are hearing from companies the idea that you have accounting departments, human resources, buyers, leads, and that business perspective along with a manufacturing certificate or a degree is so important, and an understanding of it. So I think that goal that you have for yourself will definitely take you far in reaching your goals, definitely. And many companies, I think, will look to you for employment.
Thank you.
So that's great. So now we're going to take a few moments to look at another video in regards to programs we offer at Asnuntuck.
I studied welding and fabrication, and now I have a great job at Pratt & Whitney.
I got my certificate in Electro-Mechanical, and now I work for CNC Engineering.
My education in CNC machining landed me a position at Floyd Manufacturing.
Many of our students enroll with little to no out-of-pocket expense and graduate as Asnuntuck's Advanced Manufacturing Technology Center with zero student loan debt. And now Massachusetts residents pay the low Connecticut in-state tuition rate. Start your success story today. Call, email, or visit us.
So hopefully you enjoyed that video, and what I wanted to take a few moments to talk to you about is the 3 programs that we do offer at Asnuntuck in our manufacturing program. The first one that Caitlin graduated from was CNC machining. It is a 2-semester certificate program. It earns 34 college credits. Those credits can then go on to an associate's degree at Asnuntuck you'll earn, and then through the College of Technology you could transfer directly over to Central Connecticut State University and earn your bachelor's degree. Another program we have is Welding and Fabrication, and that is a 2-semester certificate program. Again, can do your associate's degree, transfer over to Central. Many of our graduates go to in our CNC machining, can go into aerospace, Pratt & Whitney, electric boat, aero gear, making gears. There's a variety of ways. Some people go into, a lot of people like the additive. Caitlin went into sales, so the opportunities are endless. In welding and fabrication, you could be we have people who go to the iron workers and build skyscrapers, to electric boat and build submarines, to just fab shops and anywhere within the state. And then our third certificate is a 3-semester certificate called Electro-Mechanical. And that program is more of your maintenance repair technician. So when machines go down, they're $1 million machines, and it's so important to get those machines up and running again to be able to be working. And so we train our students to be able to get those machines up and running in a quick time frame so that a company isn't losing millions of dollars in order when that machine is down. So it's really all of those 3 programs are, we do open enrollment across the year. We start 3 times per year, so definitely come and take a look at what we can offer in the career that we can help you to start by graduating from our program, just like Caitlin has done. So thank you, Caitlin, on all that information. We also, as Caitlin mentioned with MACDAC, veterans are so important in manufacturing, and many of our employers love to hire veterans, and we have many graduates of our program who are veterans. And so now we're going to take a little moment to watch a video on someone who is a veteran who has graduated from our program.
I was in the Navy for 4 years as an airframes technician, so I worked on flight control surfaces of F-18s. I decided on a career in manufacturing because I didn't have enough experience coming out of the Navy to get a job in aviation maintenance. I went to Asnuntuck Community College in Enfield, and when I got there, I was amazed at how much stuff they had. Like, they teach you how to make things with your hands, and you get dirty, and it's awesome. And there's a lot of experience there too. All their instructors have a lot of experience, and they work really well together. So overall, the whole thing was awesome. I think the best parts of the program was the support, the amount of time that they put into everybody. It made you really want to work really hard, and it made you know that you could do it. I'm a production technician at Pratt & Whitney in East Hartford. Without having gone to Asnuntuck, I never would have been able to network well enough to get a job there. My employment started a few months before I graduated. They worked really hard with me to make sure that I could finish everything. Pretty grateful for that. What I like most about manufacturing is this thing that you're creating is gonna go, and it's gonna take people around the world, and it's exciting to know that you're gonna make something that's that important.
So I hope you again enjoyed that video of veterans. I mean, if you are a veteran, I really would encourage you to contact our program and learn more about the opportunities available to you to take that skill set that you may have learned in your military experience and apply it to manufacturing. There are so many of your skill sets that you learned in active duty that can be so beneficial to many manufacturing companies around the state or the United States as well. So definitely give us a call and come to learn more about what we can help you to do. So we also talked about that October is Manufacturing Month, and so there are around the United States many opportunities for you to visit a manufacturing company, to take a tour, to learn what manufacturing is all about. And so manufacturingday.com is a website you can go to see all the different companies around the United States that's offering opportunities for you to take a tour. And I know, Caitlin, at MacDac, you also have something going on there for Manufacturing Month. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
So we are having an event at Powder Hollow Brewery right in Enfield. It's going to be held, I think it's from 5 to 8 o'clock, so it's after work. And it's just going to be an event to celebrate manufacturing. We're going to have a couple of our customers there, just explaining a little bit about what they do, and just kind of, mingling with everyone in the industry and getting to know everyone and just having a really great time. It's going to be blues, barbecues, and brews. So we're going to have a barbecue truck there. We're going to have some ice cold drinks, and it's going to be a great time. We're going to have some blues playing, and we just would love to have everyone down just to learn more about manufacturing.
Well, and when was that again?
That is on October 5th. It's at Powder Hollow Brewery, and it's from 5 to 8 o'clock.
Very nice. So there's an opportunity to go out and learn a little bit more about MacDac and have a good time and socialize as well. Thank you, Caitlin.
Not a problem.
Also, the aerospace components manufacturers are another company. It consists of 116 aerospace companies in Connecticut, and they're holding what they call an ACM fair on November 7th at the Connecticut Convention Center in Hartford. So if you were to take a look at their website, again, aerospace components manufacturers, you'll be able to get more details about that conference and be able to go and see. It's a great event, one that we've been a part of as Asnuntuck Manufacturing has had a table there for many years. In the morning, they have actually area high schools who come to visit, which is wonderful. It's a real great opportunity for young people to see what careers are available in manufacturing and the opportunities that are available to them. And then in the afternoon, they have a conference. So definitely, if you're a manufacturer who doesn't know about them and would like to get involved, or definitely take a look at their website. So now also, we also have an open house coming up at Asnuntuck for just all of our programs, but manufacturing will definitely be there. And it's going to be Tuesday, November 13th from 5:30 to 7:30. It's open to anyone who would like to come, and we'll be giving tours of our manufacturing programs, answering any questions. Admissions will be there, financial aid will be there. So it'd be a great opportunity if you're available, to come and see what we have to offer and what we do. If you can't make it on the 13th, that's okay as well. We're open to tours any day of the week, Monday through Friday, nights, days, whatever works for you. If you're a high school student and you have a day off and you want to come shadow for a day, by all means, we're a welcome door to help you with opportunities to show you what we have available. So if the 13th from 5:30 to 7:30 doesn't work for you, then please just give us a call, and we can coordinate a tour for you at any time. Also, if you're a company that happens to be watching this and says, wow, I wonder what Asnuntuck can do for us, the same thing is true to you. We do a lot of incumbent worker training for individuals, so if you have any kind of training needs that we can somehow help, blueprint reading, GD&T, which is geometric dimensioning and tolerancing for those of you who are not in the blueprint world, math classes, metrology classes, maybe it's a welding class, robotics, electromechanical. You have people in your company that could use some maintenance repair curriculum, anything like that. It's worth a conversation with us to see what we can do. We are also an accredited apprenticeship educational institution, so if you have new employees that you've hired on as apprenticeship, our classes will qualify for those classes as well. So you can use Asnuntuck as a place to send your employees as students to gain those educational credits toward their apprenticeship. So again, give us a call, and we'd be more than happy to help assist you with what classes might work out best for your employees. So Caitlin, I wanted to say thank you so much for coming on tonight. I think that Hopefully we've shown you how important manufacturing is in the state of Connecticut. There is a dire need for human resources in the state, and we can give you a career that could take you far, and we hope you take us up on that opportunity. Any last remarks you'd like to share?
Just thank you for picking me, to come represent. I love being able to, spread knowledge about manufacturing whenever I can. And really, my only just closing thing to anybody who's watching, try to spread the word about manufacturing. Tell people that everything around you is manufactured, and it's a really great field to break into, and it provides so much opportunity and stability here in New England, and furthermore throughout the entire country. So, anyone you can get involved, whether it's your brother, your sister, your parents, anybody, anybody can get involved in this field, and it is so worth it. So really, that's all I have to say.
I agree, 110%. So if we can offer you any further information, you can always go to the Asnuntuck website at www.asnuntuck.edu, and manufacturing is right there. Just click on manufacturing right there on the home page, or give us a call sorry, at 860-253-3189. Again, that's 860-253-3189. And now to close, we're going to give you a little virtual tour of our Advanced Manufacturing Technology Center to see all that we have to offer you. Thank you for watching.